children, how are you doing? I hope you all are fine. And today's topic is active and passive voice. Voice is the form of the verb which shows whether the subject does something or something is done to the subject. A transitive verb, a verb which has an object, has two voices. One is active voice, another is passive voice. Active voice is a verb in the active voice when its forms shows that the subject is doer of the action. He plays hockey. Simple sentence, right? But what happens in passive voice? A verb is in the passive voice when its form shows that something is done to the person or things by the subject. जैसे हॉकी इज प्लेड बाय हिम, हॉकी उसके द्वारा खेली जा रही है. एक्टिव में हमने बोला ही प्लेज हॉकी, वो हॉकी खेलता है, और पैसिव में हमने बना दिया हॉकी इज प्लेड बाय हिम, राइट. सो हमने यहाँ क्या किया, वॉइस ग्राफ देखिए एक बार. एक्टिव वॉइस में हमने क्या किया, सब्जेक्ट जो हमारा था वो पैसिव में हमने उसे ऑब्जेक्ट बना दिया, और जो ऑब्जेक्ट था उसे सब्जेक्ट बना दिया. देख पा रहे हैं आप? यस, okay. Let's observe the table given below and note the changes from the active voice to passive voice. Sing, sings, as, sorry, yes, first form of the verb. Third form, past participle form of the verb is are, am and sung. In active voice, does, do not sing, and in passive voice is are, am not sing. Sang, second form of verb, was, were plus sung. Did not sing, was, were not sung. Is RM plus singing, is RM plus being plus sung, was, were singing, was, were plus being plus sung. Has, have, had plus sung, has, have, had plus been sung. Will, shall, can, could, may, might, would, should, must plus sing. Will, shall, can, could, may, might, would, should, must plus be plus sung. To sing will be to be sung. If the subject is a pronoun, and then change the subject of the active voice into passive voice as follows. I will be me, we will be us, he will be him, she will be her, you will be you, and they will be them, it will be it. शुभ या कोई नेम है तो हमारे पास वो नेम वही नेम रहेगा. Who will be whom. वॉइस टेबल देखिए. प्रेजेंट टेंस सिंपल कॉन्टिन्यूस परफेक्ट एंड सब परफेक्ट कॉन्टिन्यूस में कैसे जाएगा. सिंपल में जाएगा ही सिंग्स अ सॉन्ग इज संग बाय हिम. कॉन्टिन्यूस ही इज सिंगिंग अ सॉन्ग इज बीइंग संग बाय हिम. परफेक्ट में कैसे होगा, ही हैज संग अ सॉन्ग. इन पैसिव वॉइस इट विल बी अ सॉन्ग हैज बीन संग बाय हिम. Perfect continuous, he has been singing a song, and in passive voice no change, right? Okay. Past tense simple, he sang a song was sung by him. Continuous, he was singing a song was being sung by him. Perfect, he had sung a song had been sung by him. Perfect continuous, he had been singing a song, no change. Future simple, he will sing a song will be sung by him. Continuous, he will be singing a song, no change. Perfect, he will have sung a song will have been sung by him. Perfect continuous, he will have been singing a song, no change. Note कीजिए, while changing a sentence from the active voice to the passive voice, the tense of the verb remains the same. Example, active, she washes the clothes. Passive, the clothes are washed by her. ये प्रेजेंट टेंस से चेंज हुआ एक्टिव टू पैसिव. एग्जाम्पल देखिए, एक्टिव में ही प्लेड कैरम, दिस इज पास्ट टेंस, एंड पैसिव में जाएगा कैरम वाज प्लेड बाय हिम. ओके. नाउ सम एक्सरसाइजेस आर गिवन. चेंज द फॉलोइंग sentences into passive voice. In B part, identify the following sentences whether they are in active voice or in passive voice. आप आराम से पहचान सकते हैं क्योंकि आपने रूल्स पढ़े हैं. राइट A against the active voice and sentences. You have to write P for passive voice. Okay. Fill in the blanks in the following sentences with the suitable objects and subjects. You have these exercises for the practice बच्चों. Practice करिए. Have fun. Enjoy.